Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix error code 0x1000000 crash in Resident Evil Requiem on PC. If you are receiving this error, please follow these steps. First step, simply restart your computer. Restarting the PC has fixed this crash issue for many players, so it might work for you as well. After restart, launch the game and check. If still not working, open Steam. Click on Steam at the top left corner, then go to Settings. Now go to Downloads. Scroll down and find Shader Pre-Caching. If this option is enabled, turn it off. After turning it off, click on Clear Download Cache. Click Confirm. Steam will restart automatically. Once Steam restarts, launch the game and check if the error is fixed. If the game launches properly, you can enable shader pre-caching later if you want. If the issue still persists, I have created a separate detailed troubleshooting video for launch and crash issues. You can follow the steps from that video. The link is provided in the description. One of these steps should help you fix error code 0x1000000. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.